Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Masud Rana from ThemeDev. In this video, I will show you email notification and PDF invoice setup in the CleanD plugin. So actually, these settings help you to send email automatically and customize PDF invoice. Okay, so let's go to the settings inside the backend. So inside the CleanD settings, as you can see here, invoice and email settings menu. So inside this settings menu, first we can see the section for email settings. There we have to set sender and receiver email. So here by default admin user email they are showing. So we recommend for using domain email like this. See this example. Okay. And somehow if email are not working properly, then you can enable the SMTP settings. Okay. So for that you have to enable this SMTP settings. Then you have to set your host name, then username and password. And also if your port is 465, then you have to enable this SSL. Okay. So this is email settings. Now the section is order confirmation template. Actually, our last video, I was showing you the payment and account settings, and inside the account settings, uh, customer info, and inside the settings, as you can see here, here is the option for auto account creation. So you can by default this option is disabled, so you can enable if you don't want, but by default this account is enabled. And if these settings not enable, then when customer booking a service, then they receive automatically uh, order confirmation email, and these settings is configured for order confirmation template. Okay, so there first you have to set the order prefix, then the subject you can change this subject, and this is tag you can change here, and here all available tag as you can see here. So this is email subject and this is email body. So by default this text for email confirmation body, so you can edit this template by click this edit template button. So if I show you by clicking this edit template, okay, as you can see here, showing all code, you just have to change this code by following this template tag. Okay, so you can customize this order confirmation template. Then next step is user login template. This template customer will be receive user login information. Okay, so you can change this as well. This is email subject, you can change this subject, and here is email body, and here is for this template tag, and you using this tag you can customize this email body by clicking edit template. So hopefully you can understand this email settings. There are mainly three editing settings section: email settings, order confirmation template, and user login template. Now next settings is PDF invoice. So first I show you how you can see the invoice. So if I go to the all booking, I open it with new tab. So as you can see there, one booking available. Okay, and if I click three dot icon, then PDF invoice. So this is the PDF invoice for this order. So we can set this invoice there. We can settings there, like this invoice we don't see any logo, so we can set the invoice logo here by For example, I click upload and I can use this logo for showing purpose. Select, and after that have to click save change. So now if I again reload this invoice, as you can see there, the logo it is showing. Okay, so this is a logo. You can set your own logo, and this settings is for inside your invoice. If a character not displaying correctly, then you can enable this option. Then this is company name. You can set company name, and this is your name, your business address. This is state or city, and this is county, and this is company email. And this information is showing inside this from your all information. And this is to, that means customer address. While booking, they input their address. Okay. Then show website address. If you want to show your website address, then you can enable this option. And this is a header message. You can customize this header message. This header message actually, this is header message, payment receipt, and this is footer message. Footer message mean this message, and this is invoice header. Actually, this is invoice header, so you can customize these settings. But the main content like invoice item, invoice total, this is actually comes from dynamically. So you this option customization not available here. As well, you can edit the PDF additional template by clicking this link, and this is the related template tag. You can use this tag for customize additional template by click this link. So hopefully you can understand the email settings and PDF invoice related settings. So if you have any question or concern, just let me know in comment box, then I will explain you better. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.